kids, and welcome back to KidBits. Today we're going to start a new series where we're going to focus on the Scratch commands. And in each video I'm going to explain one category. And today we're going to look at the category motion. So this is all about moving our characters. So let's not wait around. Let's dive in. So here we are in our editor, and we are in the motion category, and we're going to look at the first command, which is move. So if I activate that, the cat will move 10 pixels. Like every time we click it, the X coordinate will change by 10. So then we have the turn command, which is turn clockwise, and if you click on that, the cat will rotate clockwise. Then we have the third one, which is turn counterclockwise, and if we click that, the cat will turn counterclockwise. Then we have go random position. So if we activate that, the cat will jump to a random position on the canvas. Also a very cool command. And then we have our go to XY command. This is useful if you want to reset the cat. So for example, you want to start a game and you want the cat to always start at the beginning of the game. And then we can, like for example, if we set the cat now here, but the coordinates from our go to is around here, if we click on it, the cat will move back there. So we can move it up here and it will move back there. So that's what this is good for. And then we have our glide in 1 second to random position. Like obviously all these numbers can be changed. And if we use that, the cat will, instead of just like instantly going to that position, it will glide to that position. Like in this case, it's a random position. Okay, then let's move to our next and final command for today. And this is glide in 1 second to XY. So now this is the exact coordinates where the cat is at right now. So just like with the go to XY command, we move the cat somewhere else. And if we click it, then the cat will move back to that position, no matter where we put the cat. And exactly. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode where we are going to continue the motion commands, and see you next time at KidBits.